कम नेक्स्ट। ओके, आज हम करेंगे राइट स्मॉल फॉर ईच कैपिटल लेटर। इसमें क्या होता है, आपको कैपिटल लेटर दिए गए हैं, आपने इसके आगे स्मॉल लेटर लिखना है। ओके, राइट स्मॉल लेटर फॉर कैपिटल लेटर। अब देखिए बेटा, ये दिस इज बी, कैपिटल बी। यू हैव टू राइट स्मॉल बी इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैपिटल बी। अब मैं आपको बताऊं आप ये कैसे लिखेंगे। दिस इज कैपिटल बी, we will write here small b. You have to write from red line to black line and turn to right like this. This is capital B and this is small b. Okay, next G. This is capital G. You have to write small g. This is small g. Small g, black line to red line. Next, this is capital L. This is capital L. You have to write small l in front of capital L. Red line to black line like this. Okay. Next word is D. This is capital D. You have to write small d in front of capital D. First of all, make straight line, then turn to left. बेटा कल भी आपको मैंने यही कंफ्यूजन क्लियर की थी आपकी। जब हम बी लिखते हैं हम उसको राइट साइड से टर्न करते हैं, और जब हम डी लिखते हैं उसको लेफ्ट साइड से टर्न करते हैं। दिस इज राइट साइड एंड दिस इज लेफ्ट साइड। ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्यू। क्यू, write small q in front of q, make circle, then small line, leave the curve. This is q. Black line to red line. Okay, next word is n. This is capital N. You have to write small n. This is black line to black line like this. Okay, next is R. This is capital R. You have to write small r. Make straight line, black line to black line and leave the curve. This is small r. Again see, B, capital B, small b. G, capital G. This is small g. Next, L, capital L. This is small l. This is D, capital D, and this is small d. Q, Q, capital Q, and this is small q. Next is N, capital N, and this is small n. This is R, capital R, and this is small r. Next line, F, capital F. You have to write small f in front of capital F. This is small f. Red line to black line. Okay. Next word is M. This is capital M. You have to write small m. Black line to black line 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This is small m. Black line to black line. Next letter is A. This is capital A. You have to write small a. This is small a. This is small a. Next, this is capital I. And this is small I, black line to black line, and make small dot. I. This is I. Next is E, capital E. And you have to write small e, black line to black line. Okay. Next is H, capital H. Write down small h from red line to black line, like this. Okay. Next is T. This is capital T. You have to write small t in front of capital T. Red line to black line. Again, see. This is F. Capital F. This is small f. Red line to black line. बेटा इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि कौन सा वर्ड, कौन सा लेटर, कौन सी लाइन में लिखा जाएगा. This is capital M. And this is small m. Black line to black line. Okay. Next, A. And this is small a. Capital A. Small a. This is I. And this is small I. Okay. This is E. Capital E. And this is small e. देखो ये भी small line में लिखा हुआ ना, black line to black line. Next, H. Capital H. And this is small h. T. Capital T. And this is small t. Beta, this is topic. Write small letter for capital letter. Okay. Now we will do one and many. मैम ने आपको बताया था ना बेटा, वन एंड मैनी. जब एक होता है हम उसको वन बोलते हैं, और जब एक से ज्यादा हो जाते हैं तो मैनी. अब व्हाट इज दिस? अब इसको आपने रीड करना है. अब आपको सबको रीडिंग आ गई. C A T, कैट. दिस इज कैट. अब हम इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे? C A T S, कैट्स. जब वन कैट होगी तो हम इसको कैट बोलेंगे, और जब वन से ज्यादा हो जाएंगी तो ये कैट्स. C A T S, कैट्स. नेक्स्ट, बॉय. B O Y, बॉय. नेक्स्ट, अब इसको हम कैसे चेंज करेंगे? B O Y S, boys. B O Y S, boys. Next, F A N, fan. अब हम इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? जब वन फैन है तो फैन बोलेंगे, और वन से ज्यादा हो जाएंगे तो फैंस. F A N S, फैंस. फैन, फैंस. नेक्स्ट, कैप. C A P, कैप. अब इसको कैसे चेंज करेंगे हम? वन से ज्यादा कैसे बनेंगे ये? C A P S, कैप्स. C A P S, cats. Next, pen. P E N, pen. अब वन पेन है, हम पेन लिखेंगे, और जब वन से ज्यादा हो जाएंगे तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? पेन्स. P E N S, पेन्स. P E N S, pens. Next is bag. B, A, G, bag. B, A, G, S, bags. This is tap. T, A, P, tap. अब इसको हम कैसे चेंज करेंगे, कैसे प्लूरल में करेंगे? T, A, P, S, taps. इससे देखिए, cat, cats, boy, boys, fan, fans, cat, cats, pen, pens, bag, bags, tap, taps. Okay, you have to do these assignments today, one and many, and write small letter for capital letter. Okay, beta. Now we will do our magic book. This is your magic book, magic carpet book. Okay, beta. We will start from O. O. This is capital O, and this is small o. O, ox. O, owl. O, orange. O, octopus. O, oil. O, onion. Once again, this is capital O, and this is small o. O. O, ox. O, owl. O, orange. O, octopus. O, oil. O, onion. Now you have to match these words. See, this is orange, this is onion, this is oil. Now you have to match with knife, pen, and juice. Okay. First of all, this is orange. Orange से हम क्या लेते हैं? Juice बनता है ना orange से. So you will match with juice. Put your pencil on orange and match it with juice. Okay. Next is onion. Onion को हम क्या करते हैं? Cut. We will cut with knife. Put your pencil on onion and match it with knife. Okay. Next is oil. Oil को हम क्या करते हैं? पैन में डालते हैं ना, मम्मा जब कुकिंग करती है. So match with, put your pencil on oil and match with pan. Okay. Next is P. P, capital P, and this is small p. This is capital P and this is small p. P, peas. बेटा मम्मा देखो आजकल ये बहुत सारे हैं मार्केट में, मम्मा बनाती है ना आपके लिए. पी, इनको बोलते हैं मटर. पी. नेक्स्ट पेयर. दिस इज फ्रूट. पेयर. दिस इज पेन. पी, पेन. पी, popcorn. You eat this. Okay. P, popcorn. P, pineapple. This is also fruit. This is pineapple. And this is parrot. Once again, P, capital P, and this is small p. P, P. P, pear. P, pen. P, popcorn. P, pineapple, and this is parrot. P, parrot. Next, take the pink pencil to the pencil box. अब देखो ये मैम ने put your pencil on these dots and join the dots with your pencil like this. And take it to the pencil box. Okay. Next is, beta, you have to write this O, capital O, and this is small o. This is capital P and this is small p. You have to write this O and P. Next is cross out the odd one. इनमें से जो odd हो उसको cross कर देंगे आप. Okay. This is M. अब आपको इसमें M से find out करना है और जो odd होगा अलग होगा उनको हम cross कर देंगे. This is cake. This is mango and this is mug. Which is different? Mug? No. Mango? No. Cake? Yes. You have to cross this cake. Okay. This is different. Next, N. N, nest, nail, pineapple. Which is different? Nest? No. N for nest, N for nail. And this is different. This is pineapple. So you have to cross this pineapple. Okay. Next is O, capital O, and this is small o. This is map. This is owl and oil. Which is different? Oil? No. Owl? No. Map? Yes. This is different. So cross it. Okay. Next is P, capital P, and this is small p. P, P, parrot, octopus, pear. Now tell me which is different? Pear? No. Octopus? Yes. Parrot is P for parrot. This is octopus. This is different. So cross it with your pencil. Okay, beta. Next is match. You have to match. This is milk, orange, nut, pea. Now match pictures with letter. Okay, this is milk. Where is M? O, P, M. This is M. So put your pencil on M and match with milk. Okay, next orange. Where is O? Is it O? No. Is it O? No. Is it O? No. Is it O? Yes. Put your pencil on O and match with orange. Okay. Next is P. P, अभी मैम ने आपको बताया P means peas, मटर. This is P. Where is P? Is it P? No. Is it P? Yes. Put your pencil on P and match with peas. Okay. Next is nut. This is nut. N for nut. Where is N? Is it N? No. Is it N? No. Is it N? No. Is it N? Yes. Put your pencil on N and match with nut. Okay. Next is tick the things which can eat. जिन्हें हम खा सकते हैं आपने उनको टिक करना है. First is mango. Mango. Can you eat mango? Yes. Tick it. Next is moon. We eat moon? No. Only we can see in the sky. This is cross. Next is nut. We eat nuts? Yes. So take it. Next is noodles. We eat noodles? Yes. So take this. Okay. Next is onion. We eat onions? Very good. Take it. Next is pizza. You eat pizza? Yes. So take this. Okay. Next is pineapple. This is pineapple. This is a fruit. We eat this fruit. Okay. So take it. Next is pen. We eat pen? No. We write with pen. So cross it. Okay. Next is my food. You food. Your food you eat. कौन कौन सा फूड खाते हैं हम देखिए. This is milk. Milk you drink. Cereals, butter, cheese, yogurt. Again see, milk, cereals, butter, cheese, yogurt. Next, these are vegetables. You eat, your mama cooks these vegetables. Okay. Radish, onion, tomato, peas, potato, cauliflower. These are vegetables. Next, bread, dosa, roti, oats, rice. Again, bread, dosa, roti, oats, rice. These are fruits. Fruits, apple, orange, banana, mango, grapes, pineapple. Apple, orange, banana, mango, pineapple, grapes. These are non-veg, chicken, fish, egg. These are
Sonia ma'am,
also food. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute left. Huh?
Okay, ma'am. Laddu, salad, samosa, muffin, duff nut. So, students, these are your food. My food. Okay, students, you have to learn these foods and these two poems also, aeroplane and our flag. Okay, our flag. आप सबको लर्न हो गई. ये मैम कल आपसे सुनेंगे. ओके, our flag and aeroplane. चलो एक बार फिर से करते हैं. our flag. We are Indians, bold and free. We are Indians. We love our country. We will guard it and keep it free. We salute our flag with pride. We sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Okay, students, you have to learn these poems, aeroplane and our flag. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.